Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're fine and enjoying a good health. And welcome to my channel Tech Sidra. I hope these videos which I'm uploading they are beneficial and helpful and useful for you. So today we are going to work on that video that I will tell you that how you can open the turn on the monetization on your channel. For this you need to log in and then press the YouTube studio. So after login in your YouTube channel, you will just press the YouTube studio. It will be open and it will take few seconds. And now you have to go on the analytics. Sorry, there is a dashboard content. You need to go on the content. As you can see over here, these are all the videos which you have already uploaded on your channel. So right now the monetization is on all the videos. I will tell you again that how you can turn it on all the videos at once. You can also turn off the monetization of your videos at once, and you can turn on also the same way. So for this there is filters over here. You can check this videos, then your all the videos will be selected and checked. Then what you have to do is you just need to press edit option. As you can see that this is the videos. You need to select all the videos at once, and then you have to go on the edit option. There is a arrow key over here, down arrow, you need to just press it. Now you have to go, there is title, description, tags and visibility, then monetization. You have to press the monetization over here. As you can see that this option will be appeared that you want to monetize, turn on the monetization on your channel. Then you need to just update videos. You need to click on the update videos option over here. This is all the information that it's saying that you want to turn on the monetization on your videos. As you can see, there is a on option down with a down arrow over here, down there, just after this description. You can just press this on button, and all the videos will be all the selected videos monetization will be turned on. Then you have to press the update videos. Okay, so this is the way that how you can turn on and off the videos at once on your monetized channel. YouTube have already monetized my channel, but I want to turn on the monetization, so that's why I will just press this on option. You need to just click it. Let me show you how you can do it. That this is off option and on option. If you want to turn on the monetization on all the videos, then you can just press the on option. And if you want to turn off the monetization of your videos, then you can just simply press the off option. So this is the way that how you can do it. After pressing on or off option, you just need to click the update videos. This is already on. I will just show you that. Are you sure that you want to turn on the videos on your selected videos? You want to do this action, then you need to check this box. Same way you can also delete the videos from your account. You just need to update videos, press the update video, then all the action which you have selected already. If you want to turn on the videos monetization, it will be turned on. If you want to turn off the video monetization, they will be turned off. Same way you can delete the videos also. So I have already turned on, but I just want to show you that how you can turn it on. So that's why I check that box and I update videos, and now it will take a few minutes or few seconds as per your internet connection speed. It's still working. So let it be finished first. My internet speed is a bit slow, that's why it's taking a lot of time. And already my videos monetization is already on, but I'm again just showing you that how you can press the on option, and I'm turning the monetization again on them. So that's why it's taking a bit more time. Once it's this browsing and updating will be on, will be done, then it will show you that all the videos are being monetized at once. So instead of monetizing separately, you can see that it's on. The notification is also showing that all the videos monetization is on. As you can see that I'm showing you the dollar sign is green and it's on. There is no cross. So now your videos monetization will be on by doing this procedure. I hope viewers this video is helpful for you to know that how to turn on the videos monetization on at once on your channel. Do like my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care.